fans, today we are joined by the Minions. We are joined by Squidward, Plankton, Play-Doh, SpongeBob and the Trash Pack as well. It is rather crowded in here today, and I will be showing you two of the Despicable Me Minion made action figures. We have lead singer Minion, and we have the backup singer Minion as well. They are both posable action figures.
Wow!
As always, these figures are very cute and highly detailed. You can move their tiny little arms. So they are two awesome little minions for you to buy and collect from the Minion Made toy range. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you here next time on Toy Review TV.